Guys, napanood niyo na ba yung bagong ad ng Greenwich?
Wow, nakaka-inspire naman itong video na to. As a mom, na-realize ko na I need to love myself more. Celebrate big and even small wins. And appreciate all the blessings given to me. And ang pinakamasarap kasama sa mga celebrations, of course, Greenwich na may super spa of promo code, kaya watch till the end. Food talaga is my favorite way of connecting with my loved ones. Kaya ito talaga yung napili kong kainin while watching this inspiring ad from Greenwich. Ang daming masasarap na flavors ng pizza nila ngayon, tulad na lang nitong all-in overload pizza and this honey glazed spinach pepperoni. Naku, naging new favorite food na namin from Greenwich itong rice baked roast beef. 88 pesos lang to. And alam nyo ba na ang first lasagna na minahal ko is from Greenwich? Legit, and hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin nagbabago yung lasa. Pinaka-favorite part ko yung dinidip yung bread sa white sauce habang pinapanood yung film. And this creamy spinach pizza wrap, the best! Naging favorite na to ng daughter ko. And look at this cheese pool, ang sarap nito, grabe. Isa pang must-try snack habang nanonood ng film. Na-realize ko sa film na to, lahat tayo unique. And may skill na dapat ipakita sa mundo regardless of our background, identity, or beliefs. At itong napakasarap na food sa Greenwich, dapat i-celebrate to. Kaya guys, if you haven't watched it, dapat mapanood nyo itong whole video na to para sabay-sabay tayong ma-inspire. At mas lalong sumasarap ang food kapag may discount. Kaya order na through their website and use my promo code JWKimrods to get discount.